Hey, welcome to Tortilla Takeover. I'm Kevin, and tonight we're doing a tortilla. We're doing an extra large 14-inch tortilla pizza on the Blackstone griddle. That's what it looks like. I'm going to show you how I make this. I'm going to cut it. We'll come back. We'll do a taste test. I've done this before, and I got to tell you, this is the best way to make a tortilla pizza. And stay tuned and check it out. All right, well, these giant tortillas, I got to get some butter on them because they're going on the griddle. Just one side. All right. Anytime you do a pizza on a Blackstone, any toppings you have, whether it be vegetables or meat, you need to cook it first because you're not cooking it in an oven. So you don't want your meat or vegetables to be raw. So I'm going to cook up these pepperonis first, and we'll get started. All right. Pepperonis cooked up. All right, now we want to get our, since I don't have a dome, I'm going to put both these tortillas down. I've done this about 4 years ago on my Man Kitchen recipes. I haven't videoed one since, but this is how we do it. If I don't have a dome, I'm going to put the sauce down on this one. This is some homemade sauce that I whipped up today. Okay, and we want to get our cheese down on both sides. So basically what we're doing here is going to do like a quesadilla, or a stuffed crust maybe, something like that, where you got cheese in the middle and cheese on top. All right, so this is what we got going here. Gonna get the cheese. This should start melting. I have my Blackstone on low, so hopefully we don't burn the bottom. Green chili. A little bit of garlic powder. And then on the other one, I'm going to put some Italian seasoning on this one right here. This is going to be in between. And I'm going to put some Italian seasoning on here. All right, I've got a green chili. Got a little bit of garlic powder, a little bit of Italian seasoning. Now we got to get our pepperonis on. All right, let's see how we're doing. Take that one off for a minute. It's getting pretty brown. We need to get this one here browned up. I think it's a little warmer over here. Okay. That brown up. Okay, so we want to look underneath here. See, we're getting some browning going on under there, getting a little toasted. All right, so we're getting some toasty. The tortilla is getting toasted underneath there. So now what I'm going to do is bring this one back on. Okay. Set this one right on top of it. All right, so there you have double tortilla. The cheese will hold this together. We'll get this off onto a pan. We'll cut it up and give it a try. What do you think of that? Look at that. Okay. Okay, here's our tortilla pizza, pepperoni and green chili. Okay, one thing I really like on pepperoni pizza, or any pizza, is some hot honey. So I will drizzle a little bit on mine for the taste test. All right, let's get a taste of this. All right, what do you think of that? Right there, pepperoni and green chili with some hot honey. This is a giant 14-inch tortilla. You can use the regular, but the reason why you do it kind of like a quesadilla, you put cheese in the middle, and that is so that you can actually add toppings and your tortilla will actually hold up whenever you get toppings. This one's a 14-inch, so it's not sticking straight out, but smaller ones will. And it's just like having a thin crust pizza. when you double up the tortilla like that, all right? So here we go. Pepperoni and green chili with some hot honey. Look at the bottom. Perfect, right? Did not get burned. I love tortilla pizzas. They're easy to make. Like I said, on the Blackstone, or if you do it, you know, on a stove, you got to cook your meat. You got to cook your toppings, vegetables too, everything. Cook it first because you're not in an oven. So good. All right. Thanks for checking out Tortilla Takeover. I hope you make a tortilla pizza. They're fantastic. Have a great day.